Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter accounts section, add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add a Google account. Next you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to tap accept here. An account will be added. If you want to delete this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.